Hey Luke, this is a very quick video on a little video sort of tutorial for you. So I'm thrilled that you found this setting with these gorgeous clouds and this place to reflect them in and the lake here. As I was writing in my comments, one of the things that we don't want to do is blow out the whites or block up the blacks very much. We want to keep the file open. So do you see how by blown out whites there's no texture, it's just blank white, and as you darken a blank white it just goes gray on you, it doesn't reveal texture. Excuse me. So let's see here, move that out of the way. So one of the big reasons why I ask you to put your images into Google Drive also is seeing the original image is so important in terms of how I can teach you to do better. I can see file info here. I downloaded it and put it onto my own Photoshop. File info on the left. And just a quick tutorial about EXIF data. It's showing me that you shot it on June 13th at 1:33 in the afternoon. And going to camera data, I can see that you're using a PowerShot SX30 IS and what the focal length of the lens and the exposure and all this data, how big your picture is, nice and big, by the way. All this data is super important for diagnosing and just checking out what's going on here. So I'm going to cancel that. Anyway, I downloaded a shot that has detail on the whites here. Okay? So it's not blown out, and as I edit this, I'm going to do it in the same manner that you did your black and white, but keep the highlights from blowing out. So I've already done that just to speed up things, and so first we convert it to grayscale. I lasso and feathered and darkened the sky. Okay, tweak them a little bit with levels, but notice how the clouds, let me pull this back over here, which are blown out here, have all kinds of nice detail over here. Okay. So then I lassoed down in the lake and I adjusted the levels to darken that a little bit. I lassoed the far land and turned on the light there. I did an elliptical marquee and let's see, darken the outer edges just a little bit. You see, that's it, vignetting, that edge burning, and it creates a subtle three-dimensional effect where we push the edges back and bring the foreground or the center forward and deselect. And finally, it's a big file, so I made it smaller in order to post it to the blog. I can zoom in a little bit here. I created image size, and I dropped the size down to 2000 pixels wide. Okay, that's it. See you on the blog.